Hello, and I'm here to walk you through the K-5 and 6 through 8 grade 2.0 prototypes for the one-stop shop. So let's get to it. When you go into the K-5 course, here is the home page. You will be clicking on second grade. And it's going to take you to the second grade course subjects. Click on literacy, and you're going to go to module 2 because module 2 contains the 2 units that is your task for building out first. Module 2, here is where the module overview will go, your performance tasks, your data, and then the units. Right now, I've stuck skills block down here, and I think we're going to move skills block and all block over into this menu. But what I'm going to need is where do they go? I'll need a link or the pages, whether we're going to import the pages into the course or if we're going to take them somewhere else. Please remember, if all block and skills block are in another Canvas course, we don't want to do that. What we do want to do is, if they are in a Canvas course, we want to move that content into this course. So when you guys are working on the grade 2, if you could give me or tell me about the information from that, because I can show you the steps for importing all that content into this course so that we can just link it here in the navigation. If you need to, when you need to put in your module overview or your performance task information, you're going to need to edit the page. When you click edit, just wait and your design tools will pop up. Do not mess with any of the things here because that is part of the accordions and drop downs that we set up. However, once you've gone into edit, where you see content, panel content, that is where you can embed documents, or that is when you would import documents. As far as City Labs goes, if you're wanting to link a button, the best way to do this would be you have your link that you're going to link the content to. And to do this and make a button in City Labs is just highlight the content. And I generally just use Command K or Control K to get this. And then I'll just use this one as a link and click done. Once you have clicked done, just put your cursor into the middle of where the link is. And if you see this target right here, click on that target. And when it does, it's going to drop down your buttons. I recommend you use the Canvas buttons here. And in this case, I've been using just the blue button. Click the blue button and your link is complete. If you decide you need to change anything about the link, you can then click here and go to link options, and you can change the name of the link. And you can also change the link destination here. Once you click done and everything else is good, you can move on from there. Okay, from here, you're going to go to your units, and you guys are expected to do Unit 1, the last 5 lessons, and Unit 2, the first 5 lessons. If you click here, you will be sent to Grade 2 Literacy, Module 2, Unit 1. Okay, here you will see your overview goes here. Rubrics and checklists go here. And you can just go ahead and just immediately head to Lesson 12. Since you're going to be doing the last 5 lessons, you could start at Unit 8. And they all look the same. I've already constructed a table for you. So once again, when we go into edit, do not, again, mess with any of the things in the expanders or the tabs, any of these boxes that are surrounded. In here, just work within the panel content of each box. So if we go down to Unit 8 and you click, you can begin by just clicking to insert a row after, and you can begin typing your narratives there. I've done these so that it will be as little or as much interaction with City Labs as you're comfortable with. I sort of just made it to where you wouldn't have to worry about messing with any of the tabs or collapsible menus. I wanted to keep this as user-friendly as I possibly could. So you should be able to do everything you need to do. None of these should be changing. If you have any questions, you can refer to the City Labs videos that will be in the course that Ted has the link for. But that's all that I believe you need to know, since you really aren't going to have to utilize City Labs that much, except for things that you might like to add from here, or you can use the rich text editor. The rich text editor will work within the panels. So if you decide that you don't want to use City Labs at all, unless you're doing something fancy, just use the rich text editor for everything and you should be fine. If you have any other questions, please let me know. Thank you.